Brad Royal, principal of Reagan High School. I'd like to welcome you all to Raider Nation. I can't wait for you to see all the amazing things that we have going on, so sit back and enjoy.
Hello, I'm Joel Cordray, Director of Student Services, and welcome to Reagan High School, a North Carolina Honor School of Excellence. We are proud that 94% of our students graduate from high school within 4 years, and 90% of those students go on to pursue post-secondary education. That's so Reagan.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God.
Welcome to Reagan High School.
I'm Maurice Jackson, Assistant Principal.
I'm Brittany Watson, Facts Teacher and Reagan Cheerleading Coach, and
That's so Reagan.
That's so Reagan.
She's so Reagan.
I'm so Reagan.
I'm Reynolds Craver, Student Body President, and that is so Reagan.
Hey guys, I'm Miss Overby. I'm an English teacher and I'm also the student government sponsor. That's so Reagan!
We love Reagan High School!
great school.
Because of the people.
Because of the sport.
That's so Reagan!